Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really fun and creative. How to use Canva and Suno AI together to make your very own kids' songs complete with visuals. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or just someone who loves making music for children, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate an original song with Suno AI and pair it with a colorful, engaging presentation in Canva. Let's get started. First things first, let's head over to Canva on your computer or tablet. Canva is a fantastic free tool for design, and it's really user-friendly even if you're brand new to it. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create button, usually right in the top corner or center. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll see a bunch of options. We're going to pick Presentation. Presentations are perfect because they give us a slide-by-slide layout, which works really well for pairing song lyrics or fun visuals with the music we'll be adding soon. Next, it's time to select a template. Canva has tons of designs, so feel free to browse and pick one that feels playful, colorful, or just matches the mood you want for your kid's song. Don't get too bogged down here. You can always customize colors and images later, but choosing a good starting template will definitely make editing a breeze. Alright, let's switch gears and turn to our audio, which is the heart of the project. For this, we're going to Suno AI. If you haven't used it before, Suno AI is a really cool AI-powered music generator that can help you create original tracks in just a few clicks. Go ahead and open Suno AI in a new tab. Find the search bar. This is where you're going to describe the song you want. Since we're making a kid's song, you might type something like cheerful children's tune with simple lyrics or fun animal-themed song for kids. Be as descriptive as you like. The more you specify the mood or style, the better the AI will understand what to create. When you're ready, hit Create and just give it a moment to work its magic. Sometimes the system may take a little while, especially if there's a queue. Don't worry if it takes a minute, it's just thinking up something unique for you. Once your song is generated, look for the three dots icon next to the music track. But here's an important tip. Make sure you're selecting a free version so you don't run into any copyright or download issues later. Click through and choose Download as MP3. Now your custom kids song is ready to use. Now let's bring the song and your Canva presentation together. Go back to your Canva window and simply drag and drop your downloaded MP3 file right onto your slide deck. Canva will upload it and attach it to your project automatically. You can adjust which slides the audio plays over or loop it if you want. Just explore the audio settings on the top menu bar. This is where you can really get creative. Add lyrics on your slides, include fun images or animations, or even little prompts for kids to dance or clap along with the music. Once you're happy with how everything looks, maybe play your presentation through once to make sure timing feels right. It's time for the final step. Click Share in the top right and then choose Download. Canva will let you pick a video file, so you'll get the slides plus your kids' song as a finished product. And that's it, you've just created an interactive kids' song presentation from scratch using free AI tools in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share what you've created. I love hearing what you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.